Hello everyone, preparing for your IELTS test. Still confused with the types of essays you are likely to receive in your IELTS exam? If that's the case, then this workshop is absolutely for you. This is Dr. Miglani, an IELTS expert. After training thousands of students to attain their desired band score in the minimum time, I'm all here to conduct an absolutely free workshop for my students on IELTS Writing Task 2 on the 5th of February 2022 at 5:30 p.m. IST. In my workshop, I'm going to give you a foolproof checklist that the examiner uses to check your writing task 2. In addition to it, we're going to discuss what is the format of different types of essays and how does the format vary with respect to the introduction, writing of body paragraphs and conclusion with the different essay type. So what are you waiting for? Enroll with us today by clicking on the form or by calling on the number given on the helpline number.